everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make shepherd's pie. We're going to substitute mushrooms and walnuts for the ground beef, and it's pretty easy, straightforward recipe, so let's get started. We're going to start out by boiling 2 large potatoes for around 30 minutes or until tender for our mashed potatoes. While that's going on, we're going to take 16 ounces of baby bella mushrooms, place them in a food processor, and just grind them up until they're finely ground. And just put them in a large bowl. And now we're going to take 1 cup of walnuts and grind them as well. Just pulse them in the food processor until they're finely ground. And add them to the mushrooms. And just mix that all together. Now we're going to take a couple of tablespoons of oil and heat it in a skillet over medium heat. And we're going to add 1 onion, which has been finely chopped, and 2 large carrots, which have also been chopped into tiny cubes. Just mix that together and cook them until the onions are translucent. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Mix that in and let that cook for a few more minutes. And now we can add our mushroom and walnut mixture. Now at first the mushrooms are going to give off a lot of moisture, but then as you cook it longer, that moisture will cook off. And we're going to season it with a teaspoon of salt. And just cook it until most of that moisture has been cooked off. And then we're going to add 1 cup of frozen peas. Mix that in and just cook it for a few minutes for the peas to warm up a little bit. Now we're going to take our boiled potatoes and peel them and mash them. Now if you have a ricer, that's even better, but just make sure that they're nice and mashed very, very well so that they're nice and smooth. And now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. Mix that in. Potatoes should still be warm, so the butter should melt nicely. And we can add some salt just to taste. And we're going to add 1 cup of vegan milk a little bit at a time and just mix it in and keep adding until you get to a consistency like where the potatoes are nice and fluffy. Now we're going to take an 8 by 8 inch baking dish and place our mushroom mixture in the bottom and just smooth it out so it's nice and even. And then we're going to add our potatoes right on top and smooth them out as well. And use the fork to make little ridges in the potatoes, which will make a nice pattern when they bake and get browned. So we're going to bake this for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees and then broil it for a few more minutes to get the potatoes browned on top. Thanks everybody for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel and tell your friends if you like it. So I'll see you next time.